A good day, my science wanderers. I am your teacher, Teacher Renz, and welcome to another episode of our exciting and wonderful lesson in Science 6. For today's lesson, we're going to compare the planets in the solar system. Specifically, we're going to identify the planets in the solar system. Come and let me take you to another journey full of wonderful discovery and learning. This is Science Fun with Teacher Renz. Let us review our previous lesson by answering our science trivia. Unscramble the letters to form words being described in each statement. Number 1. This means the spinning of the Earth on its axis. Correct. Number 2. This is the movement of the Earth around the Sun. Great job! Number 3. What causes day and night? You got it right! This day, we're going to explore the world of science. Fasten your seatbelt and let's take the science quest. Assume that the distance of every letter from each other is 1 centimeter. Using the compass as guide to the location of the mystery letter, unlock the secret word. I will do it first for you. First letter is 1 centimeter from the letter J going to the south. What letter is it? Okay, letter P. Now, it's your turn. Have your pen and paper writing. Second letter is 2 cm from the letter N going to the west. Correct! It's letter L. Third letter is 1 cm from the letter F to the north. Yes, it's letter A. Fourth letter is 2 cm from the letter L to the east. Very good! It's letter N. Fifth letter is 1 cm from the letter K to the north. Nice! It's letter E. Sixth letter is 2 cm from the letter R going to the east. You got it right! It's letter T. Excellent! Based from the activity we have done, what is our lesson for today? Yes, you got it right! It's all about planets. Did you know the word planets comes from the Greek word planete, which means wandering? Planets are called as such because they are always moving. At present, there are 8 planets in the solar system. All these planets move constantly around the Sun at different rates. Planets rotate on their own axis as they revolve around the Sun. Planets have no light of their own, instead, they reflect light from the Sun. The planets in our solar system are divided into 2 groups. These are the inner and outer planets. The inner planets are the 4 planets closer to the Sun. They are also known as terrestrial planets. The outer planets are those farther from the Sun. They are called gaseous planets, and these planets have their own unique characteristics. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, one of the hottest planets. Second smallest planet, the surface of it has many craters and has no moon. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, the brightest object in the sky, considered as the twin planet of Earth, known as the hottest planet due to its atmosphere. The atmosphere has thick clouds made mostly of carbon dioxide. It has no moon. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, the only living planet where life is known to exist. It has abundant liquid water and supports life. It has atmosphere that supports and protects life. It has one large moon. Mars. Mars is known as the red planet. Its surface appears reddish yellow because of the iron oxide in the soil and dust that cover most of the planet. It has a thin atmosphere and has water. There are two irregularly shaped moons. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has a permanent storm known as a great red spot. It has 63 moons. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet but has the lowest density, has complex ring system, and has 31 moons. Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet with a system of 11 thin dark rings, has at least 21 moons. Neptune. Neptune is the fourth largest planet. It has a dark colored storm called the Great Dark Spot, and it has 11 moons. Let's do the planets of the solar system. You are going to identify the name of the planets and answer the following questions. Write your answer on your writing paper. Number 1, Mercury. Number 2, Venus. Number 3, Earth. Number 4, Mars. Number 5, Jupiter. Number 6, Saturn. Number 7, Uranus. Number 8, Neptune. Great job! Which are the inner planets? Yes, correct. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Which are the outer planets? Great job! The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Which planet is the closest to the Sun? Yes, it's the Mercury. Which two planets are almost of the same size? Correct. It's the Earth and Venus. Compare the temperature of Saturn and Uranus. Which of two is colder? Nice. It's the Uranus. What is the largest planet? Yes, obviously, the largest planet is the Jupiter. Which among the inner planets is the hottest? That is correct. It's the Venus. Though Mercury is the nearest, Venus is the hottest planet among the 8 planets because Venus has thick clouds that cover and trap heat in its surface, making it the hottest planet. Which planet is the coldest? The answer is the Neptune. Which group of planets are smaller? They are called inner planets, namely the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Which group of planets are large and sometimes called gas giants? Correct. It's the outer planets, namely the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I hope you had fun answering the questions. Did you answer all the questions correctly? Wow! Excellent! Let us sum up the lesson and answer the following questions. Number 1. What are the planets in the solar system? Number 2. How do the planets in the solar system differ from each other? Number 3. What makes the Earth stand out from the other planets? Number 4. How do we describe the terrestrial planet? Number 5. How do we describe the outer planets? Number 6. How could we protect the planet Earth? Always remember, there are many ways to protect our planet Earth, but we have to start within ourselves. Let's evaluate what you have learned. Number 1. How many planets are there in the solar system? A. 7, B. 8, C. 9, D. 10. The correct answer is letter B, 8. Number 2. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? A. Mercury, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Jupiter. The correct answer is letter C, Venus. Number 3. This planet's surface appears reddish-yellow because of the iron oxide in the soil and dust that covers most of the planet. Letter A. Mars, B. Neptune, C. Mercury, D. Jupiter. The correct answer is letter A, Mars. Number 4. Which compares the characteristics of Mercury and Jupiter? Letter A. Mercury is the smallest planet, while Jupiter is the largest planet. Letter B. Mercury is a gas giant planet, while Jupiter is an ice giant planet. Letter C. Mercury is the hottest planet, while Jupiter is the coldest planet. Letter D. Mercury is the closest planet, while Jupiter is the farthest planet from the Sun. The correct answer is letter A. Mercury is the smallest planet, while Jupiter is the largest planet. Number 5. Which of the following reasons describe why Earth is really different from the other planets in the solar system? Letter A. Earth is the only rocky planet. Letter B. Earth is the only planet composed of nitrogen. Letter C. Earth is the only planet which is blue because of the carbon dioxide. Letter D. Earth is the only planet which is its environment known to sustain life. The correct answer is letter D. Earth is the only planet which is environment known to sustain life. Good job, my dear science wanderers! I hope you have learned a lot in our lesson. That's all for today. Thank you for participating. Have a blessed day ahead. This has been your science teacher, Teacher Renz, saying you can discover the wonders of science in a fun and exciting way. See you again, my science wanderers. Goodbye!